finally we're back. Oh wait, this is my first time playing MMT. But I played this game before, and this is my first time recording in Roblox, and I'm in the Philippines. Opo, talagang Philippines ako. By the way, wait, I got in to say, oh my, but by the way, how? What did I die? Drake, no, 67. Wait, what? Wait. Okay, let's spectate at the, the murderer. Let me eat my cheeks. Yum. Bet na. Hinaan mo yan. I-recording ako sa YouTube ko. Anyways. Wait, did he shoot? No, my God. Camping. Bro, ain't even naka-oh. Bro, it's moonwalking. Hey! Moonwalker. Wait, let me wear my band. John Cena band. Wait. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. Anyways, who's the sheriff? Brown's the sheriff. Twice old. Forgot the sheriff. Wait, did someone already got the gun? I was not paying attention. This is my old account, so that's why I'm level 1. I'm 39, yep, I'm level 39, but bro, why can I use it? Oh wait, you cannot wala. Wait, do I don't know. Oh, victory! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I'm in the station. Okay. In that mission. Oh wait, no, oh wait. Fuck did I want? Go. Bruh, why did you get in my way, you big guy? No, factory. I'm gonna fucking kill you. Okay, but anyways, I'm innocent. Really? Yep. Just gonna chill here. I don't have the seat emote, but just gonna chill here. Do not.